I have set one of accountancy paper. Let's solve it. We are going to solve only objective type questions from this set in both part A and B. Let's see the first question. Here is the first question. It is of part A and it is from partnership firm. Let us see here. Two partners are adding one more partner here, and she is bringing 1 lakh rupees as her share of goodwill. The amount of entire firm's goodwill is 3 lakh rupees. That means 1/3 part she is bringing as his part. That means his part is a 1/3 in overall firm. And two partners are there, and the whole amount is taken by Puneet. That means this 1/3 part is given by Puneet only. That's why new ratio will be 1:1:1. Let's see the next question. Here it is. Which of the following is a capital receipt? Subscription is not capital receipt. Sale of used sports material is also not there. Entrance fee is also not there. So our answer is endowment fund. Next is subscribes capital is what? First is not there. B is there. The part of issued capital which has been actually subscribed by the public. So it is correct answer. Next question is Ashok and Sudha are partners. And their ratio is 3:1. They have admitted Bani, and Ashok is sacrificing 1/4 of his part, and Sudha is also sacrificing 1/4 of his part. So we have taken 1/4 of Ashok and 1/4 of Sudha, and total is 4/14. That is answer is 1/4. Next question is which of the following statement is not true? Okay, not true is the important. So it is answer is second one. It records receipts and payment of revenue nature only. All right, it is about receipt payment account. It is not true. It is recording everything. Next is the part of subscribed capital which has not yet been called is known as uncalled capital. It is not reserve capital. It is uncalled capital. Next is here Rajat, Mishi and Tanvi is there. They are partners, and Tanvi died on October month. So here they are saying aggregate profit. They are taking aggregate profit as a base. So we have to total both the profit and divide into 7/12 and 2/10. This is a part of Tanvi. So like this way answer is 14,000. Next is excess value of net assets over the purchase consideration at the time of purchase consideration. So here our assets are more when we are purchasing something. Our assets are more than we are paying. That means it is our capital reserve, so it will be credited to capital reserve. Next one is first call amount received in advance from the shareholder before it is actually called up by the director, so it will be credited to called in advance account definitely. Next one is Premier Limited issued 2009% debenture of 100 each. All right, redeemable after 5 years at a premium of 10%. The minimum amount invested in DRR will be 30,000. It is 15% of redeemable amount, that is 2 lakh rupees, and the 15% is 30,000. So answer will be 30,000. Next is question number 11. Fill in the blank is there. Transactions of interest on drawings. Okay, so here capital account will be debited and interest on drawing account will be credited. Okay, so this amount will be adjusted in capital account. Next is on a 1st April Maitreyi Club had a prize fund of 8 lakh rupees and incurred expenses of 8,70,000 rupees. So the balance in prize fund will be 0 obviously here. Okay, no minus, any fund does not have any minus balance, so amount will be 0. Question number 13 is there. Vasya Limited issues 30,000 10% debenture and as a collateral security. So entry will be like this: debenture suspense account debit to 10% debenture account, and amount will be 30 lakh rupees. Okay, let's see now. The next question is of 3 marks. Let's go to part B. This is a part B now. First question is for the company manufacturing garments, procurement of raw material, incurrence of manufacturing expenses, sale of garments are classified as a operating activities, all are operating activities. Okay, next is a paid 44 lakh rupees to acquire shares in RV Limited and received a dividend of 40,000 for after acquisition. This transaction will be result in what? We have invested 4 lakh rupees in shares and we have got 40,000 as a dividend. So one side we are paying amount and another side we are receiving. Ultimately the cash used in investing activity will be 3,60,000. 4 lakh is going, 40,000 is coming. Next is, which of the following is not a tool of financial statement analysis? Not a tool. Okay, so here answer is all of the above. These all are financial statements, so they are not a part of tool of financial statement analysis. Next is, while preparing cash flow statement, if net cash flow of operating, investing and financing is negative, the same is added to a opening balance to obtain closing balance. Here the added to obtain closing balance will be there. Next is, public deposits appear in company's balance sheet is under the head or subhead is non-current liability. It is not a current liability. Public deposit is non-current liability. Next is, income received in advance appear in balance sheet is of a company under a subhead of what? Other current liability. Answer is other current liability. Purchase of goods rupees 35,000 for cash will increase the operating ratio. Is the statement is correct? Yes. Operating ratio formula is operating cost divided by revenue. If you are purchasing goods, it will increase your operating cost and definitely our operating ratio is also going to increase. Alright, now next is a 3-mark question. So I have not solved all the paper. Thank you very much.